thing about the Leaving Cert for me is I just seem to have blanked it all out. I really struggle to remember. My name is Tommy Meskill. I'm a presenter on the 6-1 News and I did my Leaving Cert in 2012. I knew at quite a young age that I wanted to do journalism and I wanted to work in radio, which was quite good because I knew where I wanted to go. It was just a question of whether I could get the course that I really wanted to do, and that was communications in DCU. Looking back on it now, I think I had already decided that even if I didn't get the results that I wanted, I probably wasn't going to repeat the Leaving Cert. I had decided at that time that I was going to go a roundabout way of getting to where I wanted to go. I mean, the thing about choosing something that you really like doing is that even when you work hard at it, it doesn't seem too taxing. Whereas for me, doing the Leaving Cert, that was a really tricky thing to do, and I can't say it was something that I enjoyed doing. So I'm sort of reluctant to give advice to people because I remember at the time getting so much advice. I remember even if I took like 15-minute breaks, it just helped to retain the information that I was taking in as I approached those exams. I remember I went through a phase, a habit of going outside with a hurley and a tennis ball, whacking it against the side of the house just to maybe relieve stress. My mum was probably worried that her windows wouldn't survive the Leaving Cert, but they did, and so did I.